Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming access. Sign into the Roblox account and verify the linked email. Once done, open the platform that enforces limits: iOS screen time, Android digital well-being, or Windows family safety, and locate the Roblox entry. Make sure you have parent/guardian credentials if the restriction lives in an OS control. You cannot proceed without them. Next, open Roblox app settings privacy and security to check for any in-game time locks. This step clears confusion about where the limit originates. Now you remove or relax the timer. On iOS, go to Settings Screen Time App Limits, find Roblox and toggle off or change allowed hours. Authenticate with Screen Time Passcode. For Android, open Digital Wellbeing, select App Timers and remove or increase Roblox time. On Windows, sign into the parent account at Family Safety, edit app limits or schedule for Roblox and save changes. Make sure to sync the device after editing, so the new allowance takes effect immediately. Finish by confirming the change. Fully close Roblox and restart the device, then relaunch the app to verify extended access. If the limit still blocks you, check third-party parental control apps or router-level filters that can override OS settings, disable or reconfigure them. If you don't have the screen time or family account passcode, reset it through your device account recovery or ask the device owner. Forcing changes without authorization can break trust. One key tip: always reboot after edits to clear cached restriction states.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.